it's your girl Didi and welcome back to another Dine with Didi episode. Thanks so much for joining me on my live today. We're going to be making another vegetarian option and I'm actually going to come out with a healthy cooking recipe for vegetarian meals only. Very exciting. If you didn't know, I have my recipe booklets out and you guys can get it. This one is simple, quick and easy, which is what I am about because I don't like to spend too much time in the kitchen. It takes too long. And I also have my chocolate recipe booklets for my chocolate lovers. Right now I'm fasting, so it's very, very difficult to be around chocolate because I'm fasting from chocolate as well. Teardrop. But anyway, let's do this. So we're making an egg wrap. It's going to be egg whites only because you know the yolk has high cholesterol and I have cholesterol in my family, so I really want to avoid getting that. Let's do this. First thing you want to do is get all of your veggies to chop up. So I've got some thyme and celery and a pimento. I have like a little piece of bell pepper. This is what's left. Tomato that I sliced up. I will have to slice these things up, as well as a piece of onion. So garlic works really well to reduce blood pressure, and the more colors that you have, the better. The aim is to add a lot more flavors and you could enjoy it with all of your favorite vegetables. The more color, the better, because you get more nutrients in what you eat, and that's going to help to boost your metabolic rate and help with fat burning properties. So enjoy all of your favorite veggies. We have our egg whites ready to go. Let's go, veggies. Woohoo! Look at that color, it's beautiful. Let's mix it in. So you can have your wrap toasted and get it nice and crispy. Ta-da! It's a mountain. A mountain on a wrap. And then it can't fold because it's too fat. But that's basically it. So, ta-da! And enjoy your wrap. If you guys enjoyed my wrap recipe, this is egg wrap. I also put a little bit of mozzarella cheese, which tastes absolutely amazing. And if you're interested in the recipe, check out the link in the bio under Didi's nutritionconsultancy.com on recipes, and you'll find a whole lot of recipes there. So I hope that you guys liked it. If you enjoyed it, let me know. The aim is to always include your favorite vegetables and it will make it extra yummy, super nutritious and delicious. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Let me know what exactly you want me to prepare next time. Thanks so much for joining me in my live video, and I appreciate all of you guys. If you're interested in advertising on my vehicle, let me know. You guys can put your sticker anywhere on it. And I also have recipe booklets. I have a honey now that's out and available in Atlantic Plaza, and it's absolutely delicious. It's pure honey from the bees. And I always recommend using honey instead of sugar. Honey is the main substitute in all of my recipes for sugar. It's better in terms of it has a lot of different properties and benefits to it. So you can enjoy that. And also I have my teas. So if you're interested in my little tea jars with the free reusable tea infuser as well as the tea bag. So you just wash it and use it again. It's so easy and so simple and you can use it forever. Let me know, comment down below. And if you're interested in my consultancy, if you're ready to make lifestyle changes and reach your health goal, because honestly, health is wealth. Your future is dependent on your health, and without your health, you can't do anything. That's just the reality of it. So I'm here to guide you accordingly. Let me be your health coach, let me be your health manager, and let me guide you day by day, provide that support system that you need to reach your health goals and to correct any misinformation that is out there. Thanks so much for joining me again. Bye! Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.